Hello, good morning everyone. In this video, I want to discuss about my uh, review 3 of final review of microcontrollers and applications. In this review, my project title is password based door locking system. It's basically a smart door locking system which we are using nowadays. These are our team members: Srujan, Manikanta, Anirudh, Subbareddy, and Suman Sai. We are doing this project under the guidance of Professor Dhanbal sir. He is going to guide us in this project. These are the roles in the project. uh, these are the contents. This is abstract. Coming to the abstract, the need and safety can be achieved by making locks which can be electrical or mechanical with one or few keys, but for locking a big area many locks are required. As everyone knows, old fashioned locks are heavy and weight and fragile. Now depending on the tools, everyone electronic locks are given more value than those of mechanical locks. Nowadays every device operation is based on digital technology. For example, technology based identity devices used for automatic door unlocking or locking. These locking systems are used to control movement of the door and are functional without requiring a key to lock or unlock. These locking systems are controlled by the keypad and are installed at the side heads of the door. The main objective of the project is to give safety at the common places like home, public places. In this, user would give a known password. The information will be stored in the database. When the correct password will be entered, the microcontroller gives the instruction to servo motor. Servo motor will perform the action on the door unlocking. Thus, we want this digital technology to construct an integrated as well as customized safety system at price which is reasonable. This is the main abstract. This is the objective of our project. Uh, if the enter password matched with the predetermined password stored in the data memory, the microcontroller sends the input signal actuating the DC motor drive in specified direction required for opening the door. If the enter password doesn't match with the predetermined password, then input signal generated from the microcontroller to activate the DC motor drive. Uh, then no input signal generated from the microcontroller to activate the DC motor drive. Hence the door remain unlocked. These are the components which we are using. And this is the 8051 Philips 80C51 IC which we used in our project. These are its vendor details and it's the different link, and this is the reference link for data sheet. This is a pin diagram of 8051, and this is L29 3D push pull 4 channel diver with the diodes. This we are going to use in the Proteus circuit. Uh, these are the other components. This is the block diagram. This is the flow chart. This is the Proteus stimulation. Now I am going to show our Proteus stimulation. This is our Proteus stimulation. Before that, in Key software, I run the code. I'm going to run the code. This is the code for that password based door locking system. C language. This this code. This code is in C language. Uh, Before that, after we run this code, hex file will be generated. We have to attach the hex file in this microcontroller here. Then we are going to run this. Initially, the door is locked. Enter password. Password is 54321. If the password enter password is matched with the predetermined password stored in the data memory, then opening the door, motor is turning, then automatically the door will be closed. Again, I am going to door is locked. Enter password. If the password is doesn't match it with the predetermined password, wrong password, you have to enter the correct password. Door remains unlocked. Like door remains locked. Door is locked. That's it. This is the Proteus stimulation for our project. Coming to the PPT, this is circuit diagram. This is the algorithm we are used in our project. This is the code in the kill server which I already shown just now. This is the working demo of our project. This is the working demo. These are the advantages. These are the few disadvantages. These are the applications. This is the future extension work. This is the future scope. And finally, this is the conclusion. The work was done successfully. It is evidence that where use of keypad with the right circuitry can be used to operate of a secure system. These systems have the ability to access a secure place, that is ATMs, industries, office, etc. A password-based recognition system can easily perform variation. In variation, the system compare an input password to the enrolled password of a specific user to determine if they are form the same password. Now the security of our home office, etc. These are the references. Thank you. And also, I want to show my project report. This is the project report of our project. I already explained each and everything in the PPT. This is the block diagram of our IC. This is the C programming code for a password-based door locking system with comments. And finally, this is the plagiarism report. We got 90% unique content and 10% plagiarized content. So plagiarism is less than 15%. Plagiarism has done. Coming to the IEEE paper, this is the IEEE paper which we made. These also we got less than 10% for plagiarism for this IEEE paper. That's all about our project. Thank you.